Hello and welcome to this course Puppet from Scratch. So in this couple of videos we'll be actually introducing Puppet, what is Puppet, key concept and some use cases for Puppet, okay? And also we'll be viewing the different aspects of installing and also configuring, managing Puppet, okay? So let's begin by a short introduction, okay? So, in today's rapidly evolving world of technology, managing and maintaining IT infrastructure efficiently is essential for business and organization. Okay, so this is where automation tools like Puppet come into play. Okay, so actually Puppet is a powerful and widely used configuration management and automation tool that helps system administrator and DevOps team to manage and control the various components of their IT infrastructure. Okay,